Hi everybody, hope you're well. I'm going to talk about clauses of contrast. These are used when we want to show a difference or a contrast between two ideas. It's like saying this is true, but on the other hand, so is that. When we use clauses of contrast, we often use words like although, even though, whereas, and while. So I'll break these down and I'll give you some examples. When we use although or even though and though, these words mean the same thing. They are used to show a surprising or unexpected contrast. They can go at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence, doesn't really matter. So although, even though it was raining, we went for a walk. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. Even though it was raining, we went for a walk. It was raining, even though we went for a walk. The most common is at the beginning. Even though it was raining, we went for a walk. Though it was raining, we went for a walk. So the surprising thing is that we went for a walk despite the rain, even though it was raining. We went for a walk although, even though it was raining. Same thing, we just placed the clause in the middle. We went for a walk although it was raining. We went for a walk even though it was raining. We went for a walk though it was raining. When we use whereas and while, these are used to show a clear difference between two facts. Again, they can go at the beginning or they can go in the middle of the sentence. It doesn't matter. For example, whereas John likes coffee, Mary prefers tea. So you're just showing a direct contrast between John's and Mary's preferences. Mary prefers tea, whereas John likes coffee. Same thing, same contrast, just swapping the order. While I enjoy action movies, my friend loves romantic comedies. While I enjoy action movies, Lucia prefers romantic comedies. So this shows that we have different tastes in movies. While I enjoy coffee, Lucia prefers tea. Different tastes. And again, you can use while in the middle of the sentence. My friend loves romantic comedies, while I enjoy action movies. Lucia loves romantic comedies, while I enjoy action movies. Again, you're just showing the difference in preferences. So to understand this a little better, I'll give you some more examples to show how these clauses work in everyday sentences. Although she was tired, she stayed up late to finish her project. She stayed up late even though she was tired. He decided to go out even though he wasn't feeling well. He wasn't feeling well, but he went out anyway. Though the movie was very long, it was also very entertaining. It was long but still entertaining. She loves hiking, whereas her brother prefers cycling. She likes hiking, her brother likes cycling. Whereas, while the sun was shining, it was still very cold. The sun was shining, but it was cold. While the sun was shining, it was still very cold. So a few tips on this, on these clauses of contrast. You can place the contrast clause at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. It's up to you. Punctuation. When the contrast clause is at the beginning, use a comma after it. When it's in the middle, put a comma before it. And for emphasis, we often start with the contrast clause. This adds emphasis to the contrast. So if you want to emphasize something, put this clause at the beginning. So clauses of contrast, they help you show differences, make your sentences more interesting, whether you're comparing, contrasting, showing surprising twists and developments. These clauses are very, very handy. Okay, thanks for listening. This is Gary, English 365. Bye-bye for now.